Good day, sir. This is Enderes Lads from the code 1582. And this is my reflection about short film Gasolina by Joseph Sabilio. I realized that my father had so many sacrifices to give us a good life and a good future. And I am related to the video because my father is a fisherman and he has need to buy a gasoline every week to go to sea to catch some fish and sell them in the market. And my father is still working for the expenses of our house and for our needs for the family. So that's why I am so very proud of my father because he does not give up for the hardship of life. And also big proud to all hard workers father. So that's all, sir. Thank you.